Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video on my 500,000-mile Cadillac. There it is, right there. But you are in for a special treat today because I have flown in a Cadillac specialist. Yeah, this guy knows his stuff. He is an expert in all things Cadillac, and he's the first guy that actually drove this Cadillac right here. And he's got the radio pumping. Who could be in the car? Who's in my car? Let's see who's in the car. Oh my God, he's back. He's back for more. You wanted to be in the car.
But you opened the fence this time.
I did open the fence because I knew you were coming. So, absolutely. Yes, Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds is here, and I'm working with one little microphone, and my camera's too close. Here we go. There it is. Because he wanted to see how the car drove.
It's got a brake pedal.
Imagine that!
Yeah, last time it went all the way to the floor.
All the way to the floor. The back of the Cadillac went all the way through the gate. And we almost went all the way to the BMW back there, but no. Wow. So we have a new to us rotor and a new to us caliper. But what do you think she runs like?
It runs great.
It does. It's just that exhaust.
You get your exhaust guy to patch that up.
I don't even know what it is. I haven't been under the car yet.
It sounds like it's just a slit, like they started, but they never quite finished with the cutting it off.
Yeah, I think that's it.
And the oil change is due September 21st at 3,022 miles.
So this car is a low mileage car.
Very low mileage, yes.
3,000?
3,000.
How would they even do that?
Your rear hatch is open.
Oh.
And your ride control is broken.
Okay. What else? Well, yeah, we have all kinds of things going on there.
Your washer fluid is low.
Yeah. Has it got to the odometer yet?
No, it's just repeating itself now.
That's the best part.
Where's
so if you push one of these things, it'll go to the, say,
475, 582.
Yeah. Do you remember, you know that song, Seasons of Love?
525,600 minutes.
No.
585,600 moments.
No, I don't know that song.
It's an old song. Anyway.
525,000 moments, oh dear.
Yeah. 600 minutes. That's all the minutes in a year. 565,000. I don't know. It's a stupid song.
The more you know.
It was a stupid joke when I thought of it in my head. It didn't come out quite right. Anyway.
I'm going to make sure the hatch is closed.
Oh, okay.
I don't want any more travesties happening.
These seatbelts are gross. Have you looked above your head?
Yeah, I had to open the windows because it's got a funk to it.
Yeah, there's something going on.
It's.
What do you think? Does it feel safe or not?
I don't. Maybe it's
Is it
bad
not supposed
shots.
to do that?
No. This thing starts rocking. Let's see if I can get out without hitting the. Woo!
Now you're gonna hit the gate. My new one.
I made it.
Here, let me move the door. There. Okay.
Got no faith.
Now we got it. We don't have to go far. We can just go around the block.
Okay, look at the steering wheel when I hit the brakes. It turns itself.
Do you think?
To the right.
Do you think the other calipers aren't attached?
Did you bleed the brakes?
Yeah, the one
No,
I took
all
off.
of them.
No, just one. I just took off the one.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. This is the shortest drive ever.
Oh, crap. It's safe. No, the brakes need bled. And you have to do a special ABS bleed on these with your scan tool.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Well, let's just go up and down the road here.
Yeah, let's just go for a little ride up and down the road here.
Oh, I just wanted to go up to the... Okay. I hope the other side of the brakes... I hope it's attached. Because the caliper on this side was not.
Look, watch. Get the steering wheel. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. This is bad.
This is. Oh my goodness.
It
Well,
does
don't go
stop
fast.
though. No, I won't go fast. Ooh.
Ooh. What was that?
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
It's scary when you hit the brakes. Don't hit the.
The cops are gonna get called for drunk
Oh my
drivers.
Gosh. This is not good.
This is really bad. I mean, I have to manhandle the steering wheel to the left. Wow.
Well, okay. So the other caliper has to go on. We haven't even gone fast enough to shift gears yet.
No.
We don't want to.
You
I don't want to. No.
We can shift gears. Where's a nice open space where I don't...
Without traffic? There's not.
Right here. Here we go. We'll just, real quick. Oh, dude.
Oh, shoot. Shoot.
Oh, crap. Oh, that's brakes are through the floor.
Oh, my God. Okay.
It drives bad, too, Mike. The steering is way off. Like, this thing... This is bad.
So this shouldn't be a tow vehicle? Is that what you're saying?
No, this needs a tow vehicle.
Hi. Oh.
This is... Mike, fix this up, sell it,
Yeah.
and let's find you one of these in front of you right here. An F-150.
Yep.
Let's find you a truck.
A real truck. This is terrifying, and I'm not even driving.
I'm not worried because it's your insurance.
Yeah. Well.
Ooh. We could total my Ram and...
I only have the minimum on this thing.
Well, that'll cover mine.
Well, yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's go on the back. If you can get back there without
Do you want me to back in
hitting
or go,
my house. No,
go
forward. Forward. Well, this was a disaster.
This was fun. Thank you. I appreciate the opportunity to come back and do this again.
You're gonna hit my mirror.
No, I won't.
That's close. Okay.
Here's the ducks.
Now you're gonna run over the ducks.
Quack, quack. Whoopsie.
Well, shoot. Okay. So for $1,200, this is the kind of crap you get.
You're better off spending $3,000
Mm-hmm.
and get something 3 times better.
Oh my gosh.
Like my Sunbird.
Like your Sunbird.
You could tow with that.
It's a manly car.
Very.
I don't know. I don't know what to do with this now. Okay, I'm going to replace the brake caliper on that side
Yep.
because I think they're loose. I don't know why. And then I'll look at the back brakes. And I know we need brake pads.
Yeah. And you've got to bleed them. You've got.
Yeah.
You're going to have to bleed front to back, and ABS bleed it too. You've got to.
Okay. Well, I bled the one, but we'll do them all.
Once air gets into the system,
Yeah.
it's in the ABS pump. So you actually, there are solenoids in there, and you have to activate them with that scan tool.
Okay.
You got to go and do an ABS bleed, and it'll have you hold it to the floor, and it will actually open the valves manually, and bleed them for you.
Does it smell like something's burning?
I think that's brakes. Whoa. Yeah.
Are we on fire? Oh no!
I do smell. I was hoping it was brakes, but that smells like fluid.
Well.
Something smells pretty off. Oh wow! Look what they did to your Cadillac converter.
I haven't looked. What is it? Is it
It's almost off.
really?
They almost got it.
Oh,
Yeah,
great.
they cut it right at the oxygen sensor.
Really?
They have right at the O2 bung. They cut it, and it's almost all the way through.
Yay!
But I don't see any leaks.
Okay.
That's good news.
And there's no brake fluid coming out anywhere.
But there is a smell coming from under here. Ooh.
Well,
What is that?
see, I put brake fluid in it.
Well, it's not on fire.
No. So I got a couple of wires right here. I don't know what that goes to.
They don't look like they've ever been hooked up to anything.
White and red and black and red. I don't know. So, well,
$1,200.
down the drain. No, everybody tells me how good these cars are.
They really are. I mean, it's got 500,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
That should tell you something about it.
Okay.
Just needs a little more work, Mike.
All right. Well, we'll fly you back out to Tulsa when I get the
Tulsa.
when I
From
get the other
OKC?
brakes. Yeah.
That'll be a short flight.
And by fly, I mean drive you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, all right. Mike's got more work to do. But a big thanks to the Cadillac expert for coming here and about crashing my car and destroying my fence again.
And crashing your party when
And
you thought
crashing
the
the
car
party.
was good to go.
I know.
You're welcome.
Dad.
Always happy to help.
Okay, we're hunting rabbits. Let's see. No. But no, he's not.
Hey, did you put these in here too?
What?
Rat pellet bait?
Yeah. Yeah. There's two there, and there's two down here next to the trap. So I got two kind of right there. I just hope he doesn't go over to that one because I saw some leaves, some new leaves under that hood.
I think he's more likely to go back there.
In that one?
Why would you live in a car when you could live in a palace?
Oh, don't
and you'll
tell me
never
that.
find him in there.
Don't tell me
Oh,
that.
yeah. So many cars to chew on and wiring in the attic. Yeah. He'd be in heaven. That's what I would do if I was a rat.
Shh. Don't listen to Randy. You rat. You dirty rat. See, but look at this.
Yeah, he's been...
See.
He's had a time with this one.
Yeah. So
It's all fixable, though.
it is. It's just going to take a long time. But I bought a whole bunch of wire, and I bought those little connector things that you just heat up, and they're supposed to work.
Oh, the little solder.
Yeah.
The butt splice solder things. Yeah.
I got a 300 pack of those.
Good Lord.
So yeah, 'cause I may use them all. No, I don't know how many.
Well, with as many rat cars as you buy,
That's true.
probably.
Yeah, but this.
That's bad. You should put power to it and see what happens. You know, just see.
I was gonna do that, but then I didn't want to fire, and then.
Just get a fire extinguisher.
Well, that's true.
Yeah, if it lights up, that's content.
Well.
We
people
did
are
it before.
They're still talking about the Disco
Yeah.
Inferno, so yeah.
It's made a great shelf, Mike. That
I
thing
know.
is.
I got to get rid of it. I got to do something with it.
Get rid of it.
Well, that too. But this is why.
It only goes down to there. Oh yeah, yeah.
So. Ooh,
What is that?
that's like a pump or something, or a connector. I don't know.
It
There's
looks like a
wires.
pump.
Yeah.
For the wipe washers, maybe? Yeah, I guess
Okay.
so.
Ah,
With duct tape.
yeah.
Huh.
Only the best.
It's a
Or the
Mercedes
Mercedes.
quality.
That's it.